Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Webull chart, only way. Open Webull and enter the chart, then pick your preferred time frame immediately. Add EMAs and essential indicators for trend and momentum confirmation. Adjust colors and scales so key levels pop visually. Save the layout as a template to reuse instantly and keep your trading workflow consistent and efficient. Select indicators that match your style and set sensible defaults. Tweak EMA 9 and EMA 21 colors and set RSI to 14 for standard momentum signals. Resize the volume pane or move indicators into separate panels for cleaner reads. Lock the scale or enable auto scale to keep charts stable across tickers. Once satisfied, save everything as a named template so you load it instantly next time. If you're enjoying this guide, subscribe and like so I can keep making useful walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying up after long trading sessions effortless with voice control and smart navigation. It learns your space and saves time so you stay focused on charts, not crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use drawing tools to mark trend lines, channels, and support or resistance zones on your Webull chart. Turn on crosshair and data labels for accurate price and time readings, and use snap to candle for precision. Save common drawings into a template or duplicate the chart for alternate analyses. Then assign hotkeys to change timeframes or templates so you can react fast during volatile sessions without fumbling through menus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.